Artets waiting on you, sir. Hands forward. Thank you. Level 0. 1, 2. 1, 2. Still level 0. I really like most of the people at table 1 have it together with level 0. Brayon's going to be a young man for me to do. Right? Okay, now you have your numbers. Raise your hand if you have a pencil in your desk. Everyone has a pencil in their desk. Hands folded in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now I take care of you guys as 5th graders. I sharpen these pencils. I went and bought these pencils for you guys today. I didn't even mark them because I trust you guys. And you have brand new pencils today. Okay? You're going to have a fun activity today. Everybody's going to be a 5th grade student today, right? So I've been thinking, and I noticed you guys talked in math class about table groups that you guys do in Ms. Mussetti's class. Raise your hand if you can tell me about that. Is there a table group situation where you earn points in each table?
No.
Oh, it was in here. Raising your hand, who can tell me how that goes? Good. So I'm gonna have Isaiah explain. Hang on just a second.
Why do all of that change? Because you was the math.
So it's still level 0. Respect Isaiah as he tells us about this table cluster group thing.
Well, it's like the numbers right there. Well, they got to be in order.
Okay, so let's say for instance, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 5, table 6.
We get a party.
And how do you get a point? Raise your hand.
He gets some chocolate donuts.
Hang on just a second. Raise your hand. How do you earn a point? Victoria, I need you to be really, really explicit. How do you earn a point?
You earn a point when your whole table is on task and you're listening when your teacher is talking.
Okay, I was thinking this morning, I was thinking this morning, Isaiah, I need that. This morning I was thinking about some type of gift I can get you guys, or a treat or a reward for that table winner. And I thought of like ruins. I can't do it if you're talking.
A little small.
Like once, twice. So, I was thinking about like a $15 Bruin check, or raise your hand if you got something different. I was thinking about a $15 Bruin check, or maybe some cookies, or a pizza party, or
She's wanting for the whole class.
well, it would be for the whole class, but if you keep interrupting, then we can't do it. So I was thinking about those 3 things. Do we have a choice or something different that we'd like to have? Y'all ready? Give respect to Kiara. Isaiah.
She always
Wait a minute. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Clap twice. I'm going to put our table groups up here right now. T1. T2. You got to be a level 0 at this point, because this is when the points are being earned. Now I got it right here. Sorry.
5. What you gonna do? I thought it was 4.
1, 2,
You skipped 4.
3, 5, 6. Remember in math class? We got that table over there. That's 4. So we're just gonna keep it consistent.
What is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6?
Table 1, table 2, table 3, table 5, table 6. So here's how we're gonna do it. Clap once, clap twice. As soon as I get a whole table to be right with me, that's when I'm gonna start handing out points. Clap once, clap twice, clap once, clap twice. It seems like no one in here has a full table that's earning points right now. So what is our reward going to be? Amen. Let's see. Angel's at level 0 while Amanda's talking. Table 5 is at level 0 while Amanda's talking. Put your hand down here for now and let Amanda respond.
Oh, well, you can
twice. Clap once. Clap twice. So the thing is, you start earning points when I see your whole table complying with the direction. So clap once, clap twice, clap once, clap twice. So table 5. Do we smack our lips? Do we say what? No. Because that's how you get points taken away. So let's figure out what our reward is going to be. Raise your hand. Got it. Here. Wait. You gotta wait for everyone. That's fine. Our hands are free. So at least all of table 6 has it together. Throughout the lesson, I'm going to deliver points to those who are following along. So Kiera, you can't talk until you get everybody's attention, okay?
I was thinking about having an ice cream party like we had last year. Miss Yates, she had an ice cream party, but she had caramel.
Here's what we're going to do.
Here's
what we're going to do. Clap once. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Clap twice. Almost had table 3. So here's what we're going to do. Recognize that it's 10:15. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds to congregate with your table to find out what kind of reward we want to go with. So we're going to talk to our tables. 30 seconds. And when we do it, we got to be real quiet about it. I'm going to just give you your points as you earn them. So the stomp is after the clap.
It's like this.
So you can earn a point only when you follow my lead. Clap once, twice. Clap once, clap twice. Clap once, clap twice. Clap once, clap twice. So close. So, at the end of this lesson, we're going to bring forth our ideas. So far, we've got ice cream. And just waiting at level 0, we got ice cream, we got pizza.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay, you don't have to call out now. Remember what we said. So position 1, level 0, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Almost had table 2. You did have table 5. So I've got ice cream, I've got pizza.
Dunkin' Donuts.
We'll call it out again. That's how you lose points. Kiara, what was yours? Quickly.
I said we can get out of this and
We gotta think what's possible for me to give you guys. So I'll put that over here. Stefan, last one. A movie? That goes with 3 times. What we want to do is lesson hands down, hands folded, in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Sitting up in the To start our lesson, I've got a question up here. Angelica, loud crowd level 3. Read our question for us. Thank you, Isaiah. I thought you were going to do that. Isaiah, thank you. Go ahead and chill. Yes, just the top part, I'm sorry.
The bar has entered a drawing contest representing Bravo. He is competing against 3 other students, each from a different school. The winner will win personal iPads for every 5th grade student at their school.
At their school. So, LeVar has entered the contest. He's going to represent Bradley, our school. What did it say that we could win? Raising your hand. Victoria.
Personal iPads.
What did it say?
Personal iPads.
Personal iPads.
Yeah.
Personal iPads to take home. You can take these iPads home. You can bring them to school to do your homework. Position 1 and 3, 2, 1, and 0.
That's real. No,
We'll find out at the end. Here's what we got. LeVar representing Bradley. We want LeVar to win. The other school, what are the other schools that we're going up against, Travis?
Boucher, Powell, and Powell.
Boucher, Powell, and Parkside. So, read the next part of our direction. Maya, loud crowd, level 3. Each student. Each student. Fifth graders are patient with one another. Try it one more time.
Draw, it will take to spell their school name.
Okay. So each student, each of these students, there's LeVar's for our school, there's a couple other students that we're going up against. They have to predict how many drawings it will take to spell their school name. Bradwell has how many letters? Raise your hand when you know. Show me on your hands. See, Travis has it. Isaiah's got it. Kiara's got it. How many is it, Kiara?
8.
8 letters. So take a look. Inside of this bag, and we're not reaching for anything. Inside of this bag, we have all the letters. Bradley. LeVar is going to go to this competition and put it back. He's going to go into this competition and he's going to have to do exactly what we're going to do today. He's going to have to draw a letter and keep drawing. Every time he draws a letter, he's going to check it off on his grid here. So, for instance, let me grab
Isaiah.
Crystal. Stand up for me, please. Stand behind the chair. I like the way the table 2 is all together. Their eyes are all over here. And come around for me, please. Just right here. Now, I am partner 1. Partner 1 is going to be dealing with this sheet right here. Don't pull it out just yet. But our eyes are right here. Can you already head up, please? This is the sheet I'm going to deal with. This sheet right here. I'm partner number 1. So I am going to tell y'all. Crystal is partner number 2, Kiara. Partner number 2 is going to do the drawings. So I might shake it. Crystal, go ahead and pull the letter out of there. Tell me what you get. She got an L. So take a look. Crystal pulls out an L. So I come to my sheet. And what am I going to draw?
Put an
I'm going to mark a tally near the L. Go ahead and put that L back in there. Shake it up. Draw another one. A D. See, all the table 2 is with us. For sure. So she's got a D, so I come back to my table and I mark off my D. Go ahead, put it back in and pull another. Shake it up. Pull another. With an A. So take a look. When I have at least 1 dash for all of my letters spelling Bradwell, then I'm done. At that point, you need to raise your hand, and then I'll pull us back together for our next instruction. Let's say, for instance, that Crystal keeps on drawing, and every time you draw, you have to put that letter back in. She keeps drawing, and she pulls another L. Raise your hand. Where do you think I'm going to put this tablet at? This one. Right, exactly. If she pulls another L, the objective is to get at least one tally for every letter. That shows that you can spell it, right? So, is there a question? Go ahead, Jacqueline.
So when we, like, if we pull the same letter again and it's 2 tallies,
Say it one more time.
if we get pulled the same letter out, like D, if it's 2 tallies, marks about beside D, do we want to win or?
Excellent question. So she's saying that if Crystal keeps pulling and she pulls out another D, I'm going to tally that D. I got to keep going until I get at least one tally for each of my letters. You have to mark down each thing that your partner pulls. Ms. Dunzo, if you understand what we're doing. Rayon, tell us one more time, what will we be doing when we get our papers?
We got to grab a bag with our partner. We got to pick. We got to, if whatever letter comes out, and you got to tally, you know,
Right.
I think total side.
But we're not there yet. So as soon as you get at least one tally for each one, I want you to raise your hand. As soon as you raise your hand, we're going to tell the next direction. Okay? What is our winnings going to be? What might we win? Victoria. Personal iPads. Okay? Go ahead and have a seat for me, Crystal. And position 1 and 3, 2, 1, and 0. See table 3. At this time, my number ones, raise your hand. Here, I haven't forgotten about you. Raise your hand, number ones. Number ones. When I say go, at level 0, I want you to grab your recording sheet. Go. In 3, 2, 1, up. Still level 0. All the table. 2 is there. Level 0. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Clap twice. Position 1 and 3. 2, 1, and 0. I have table 2. Table 1, remember. We're level 0. I'm going to clear it up for you guys. Position 1, take a look at table 3, position 1. Now the only thing we should have pulled out, don't move now. The only thing we should have pulled out was our recording sheet. So only our ones has a recording sheet. I see table 6 has that together. Go ahead.
Come on and put your stuff back in.
Look at Kiara, who's at level 0. Waiting. So fixing it at level 0. Table 6 has one paper round for our number ones. Table 5 has it together. I see all of table 3, all of table 2. Now, which one of you are on? So you two are. Now this time level 0. My number 2s grab a bag at level 0 in 3, 2, 1, and 0. All my tables almost got that done at level 0. Take a look. Table 5 earned 2 points because they're in position 1 as soon as they have it together. At this time, someone tell me what we're going to do with our session. Travis, go ahead and tell us what is you and your partner going to start doing. And Isaac just over here. Wait, let me stop you there. So, when Travis writes his name on the paper, is he going to write only his name?
No.
Whose name is he going to write? Say that.
Well, his partner.
His partner, or Chris's name, right?
Yeah. And then we go, then we're going to start playing a game, and then we're going to have a check pad, and pull out a letter. They speak for them while I write something out for you. If I get 2 to 1,
0. Table 2 has it. And table 5 has it. And next we need to know table 2 and 5. Raise your hand if you think you have a prediction. How many times do you predict it will take you to draw out of the bag in order for it to match the result? Travis, give us a prediction. You think 3 or 2? 3 or 2 times? Okay, so we can write that prediction down. Travis thinks maybe 3. So in that box at the top of your paper, there's a space for your prediction. Victoria, what do you think your prediction will be?
I said 5.
You think 5. Amanda had her hand raised. For the total amount, no, not each letter, but how many times will it take you to spell that whole name?
8.
You think 8. Why do you think 8? Because it's 8 letters. That's a reasonable prediction. What do you think, Raymond?
10.
You think 10. Okay. Everyone should have a prediction written. Wait a minute, I almost have everyone. Pencils down, hands folded in 3, 2, 1, and 0. And should be folded to my table 1. I see my table 2's hands are folded. Table 3 almost has it. Almost. Everyone, before you begin, write the names, you and your partner, and come up with a prediction. Go ahead and begin. So I see Amanda writing her name and DeMarce's name on the paper. share out what did you guys find. What was your prediction first, and then tell us what you found. Take a look at those who are at level 0 while Amanda's talking. I see Kane, who's at level 0. Wait a minute, Amanda. All our pencils should be down at this point. All of our bags should be down at this point. And our hands should be folded. Amanda, we've almost got it. Okay, what was your prediction?
Our prediction was 8. And we got 1 B, 1 A, 2 B, 1 W, 1 L, and another L.
Pencils should be down.
And our total is 9.
So Amanda already went to the next step. You have a total sheet, a total column at the end, and we're still at level 0. We have a total column to the right of our sheet. So I've got Skylar's sheet right here. Everyone's eyes should be here. There's a total column for the B, for the R, A, for every letter there's a column. So Amanda said that she got 1 B. So when she comes over to her top or her total, she's just gonna write the letter or the number 1. Once she has all the totals for each letter, she's gonna add it up, and she's gonna come up with her total result. Her next step is she's gonna get an exit reflection, which asks her to reflect on her prediction and her actual result. Once you finish your investigation, raise your hand. Go ahead and get back to work. Just raising your hand. Hands folded. Level 0 and 5, 4, 3. Pencils should be down to largely. I have them. 3, 2, 1, and 0. All of our hands are folded. Level 0. Like the way the table. 3 is all together. Thanks for keeping track. Table 3 has it together, their hands are still folded. Your pencil should be down. Table 5 is there. So, some of us are still working on our first experiment. The people who have their exit tickets and have finished their exit tickets, your next steps, and our hands are still free, your next steps are to complete, say for instance, Amanda says she got her prediction as 8. Skylar's prediction is 16. So, with your result that you got, Amanda got 9. Would you make a new prediction if you got to do this investigation again? Because remember, we want to get the best prediction to LeVar so that we can win what, Isaiah?
Personal iPad.
Personal iPad. one experiment is not enough, right? How many of you would like to try one more time so that we make sure that we get these iPads? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you'd like this investigation one more time. Raise your hand if you're confident in your first prediction. So Amanda's confident in her first prediction. Rayhone's confident. Skylar's confident. I'm going to let you guys try this experiment one more time. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Clap twice. All on the table. 3 is there again. You're going to try this experiment one more time. We're not going to have time to do it today. So at this point, I want you guys to pass in all of your work with your name on it at level 0 and then be in position 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, pass it to the center. 4, 3, almost all of table 3 has it. Table 2 is almost there. Table 1 is almost there. 1 and 0. Clap once. Clap once. Clap twice. Position 1 and 3, 2, 1, and 0. Really nice job. Somebody raise your hand and tell me, how do you think we can help the bar to get the best prediction? Are we finished? Is there something we can do next? Raise your hand and tell me what you're thinking. Try to start us off.
Maybe we could just challenge other people.
What do you mean by that, Travis?
Like challenge other people, like challenge, like we have to challenge another person, and then whoever wins, they can try to compete with other people around.
Interesting. So wait a minute. So Travis, is what you're saying? Maybe your group is you and Crystal, right? Maybe Travis and Crystal should go against DeMarze and Amanda to find out which prediction was the best. And then maybe Isaiah and Kiera can go against Anasia and Angelica to find out which prediction is the best. And maybe when we keep recording our predictions, Anasia, when we continue to record our predictions, we'll find out over time which prediction is the best, right? Clap once. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Clap twice. I don't know where everything it was a substitute in the morning, and I don't know if she misunderstood what I meant. I told her that I'll be here till 10:45. Okay. At your tables.
Something else less involved with it.
Okay. At your tables. You guys have. Did we find out which reward we're gonna get? Did we find out? We got a list of things. We don't have to have an idea. I'm gonna let Travis tell it. Travis, what's it?
No, because trying to figure out how many
Wait a minute. Travis is talking right now, guys. I need everyone's eyes to be near Travis. Wait. We don't have everybody yet,
He's
Travis.
done, so we're actually going to go.
So here's where I'm at. I think I've got a winner up here, but I don't know what the treat will be for the entire
Pretty
class.
much done, so he's just going to wrap up this meeting right
no
now.
ice cream. We get the
Clap once. Clap once. Twice. Anasia sitting up. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Clap twice. I want you to think. thinking about the treat. I'm going to check back in with you guys during lunch. Where I'll figure out, Nathan, we're in our seats right now. I'm confused on, now we're talking about the reward. And now you guys are being really rowdy, and I'm thinking about, if we can't conclude on which reward we're going to get, we can't do it. So let's try this. Here's you guys' task for today. I want you guys to think about which one of these things you want most. Is it ice cream? Is it pizza? Is it donuts? Is it free time? Thinking about it, and maybe I can get one person who's a responsible person who thinks that they can maybe tally up which one gets the most votes. I've got a lot of anxious faces in here right now. I want to allow, because I need someone who's going to be honest about it all. Maybe someone who drives through this a bit. I'm really confused. Clap once. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Aaliyah, you're responsible for it. I see Travis.
It ain't Travis no more, it's me.
Aaliyah, what's your job? Everyone's a level 0. While Aaliyah is telling us her job. Feed. What's your job? Wait a minute, I'm sorry. We're going to have to exclude some people from the party already. Have a seat. Aaliyah, go ahead, tell us what's your job responsibility. Job responsibility, what is this? To do what? Oh, people are talking. What is it? Say it loud. Bring it on.
That's your job? What's your job? What's your job?
So I'm going to deliver you guys back over to Mrs. She. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap once. Clap twice. When I leave out of here, I'm not leaving until it's at level 0. I can't leave until it's level 0. Table 5 hands together.
She left it. Right. You always look at.
Okay, just put that down.
She told me to watch it if it falls.
No, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Okay.